Messenger, how to see deleted messages. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can see deleted messages on Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to see deleted messages on Messenger, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Messenger application here. Once you launch the Messenger app, let's say someone sent you a message but then they deleted it right after. How can you see those deleted messages? Well, one thing you have to understand is that Messenger itself doesn't let you see the deleted messages, but we can do this with the help of a feature called notification history on our Android smartphone. Now I repeat, this can only be possible on Android, so if you're an iOS user this may not work for you. For any Android user, what you actually have to do is open up settings. Once you open settings, you can simply go to notifications, go to advanced settings, and then after that what you want to do is go to notification history. Now every Android phone has this feature called notification history, so you might want to search for it and make sure it is turned on, because if it was already turned off and now you turn it on, it is going to start tracking the notifications from now. What this does is that it is going to keep a track of your notifications. So if you received a message and then you received a notification for that message, this feature is going to keep a track of that notification, and later on what happens is that even if they unsend that messages, if you go ahead and then look for it in the Messengers tab, you should actually be able to find the messages whatever they have sent you. So this way you can see deleted messages on Messenger. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.